Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can transfer Binance to Quotex. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your Quotex account, and from here you then want to simply click on the deposit button. Right after choosing on the deposit button, you then want to choose the asset that you want to deposit. Let's go ahead and say that this is Binance or something like Ethereum, and from there you will be able to simply get your account credentials for those specific tokens. After grabbing the credentials, let's head over into our Binance account, and from here you then want to navigate through the withdraw crypto. Now you can go ahead and navigate through this menu by navigating through your wallet, and from there you then want to click on withdraw. Now in my case, let's go ahead and say that I want to withdraw something like Bitcoin. You then want to enter the address that you got from Quotex, and then you want to select the network. From there you will have the ability to input the amount of your assets, and then you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.